And the nice thing too about Robert Haack is we have graduate gemologists right here on site. And like this right here, this is a stunning 3-carat emerald. And as you see, this is super high grade. So this emerald right here is going to be really tough for us to replace. However, we have connections across the world that we can locate anything we want. So there's nothing that's too hard that we can't find. So if you're ever in doubt, just ask. It's that easy. And then the nice thing too is here at Robert Haack Diamonds is we work with insurance companies. We work with all of them, and we do appraisal, or we do jewelry replacements all the time. And we also work with the insurance companies too that insures jewelry. Like sometimes you might lose this emerald ring. You might be on a trip, you lost the ring, you have to claim your homeowner's insurance because a lot of people put their jewelry on the rider. Well, there's a lot of companies that insure nothing but jewelry. And the nice thing about that is if you lost that item, it only goes against your jewelry insurance. It doesn't go against your homeowner, so you don't get hit with a higher premium possibly in the future. So that's the nice thing about Robert Haack Diamonds. So if you have any questions, just come on in. We'd be more than happy to sit with you. We'll go, and we can even let you know if it's worth appraising. Because, you know, sometimes you might have that ring that might only be worth like 300, 400. Sure, obviously it has value, but sometimes you don't want to pay a big insurance premium on something that really doesn't need to be done. But again, you know, we'll work with you, we'll talk with you, and we're here for you. That's the nice thing about Robert Haack Diamonds, because we're your local jewelry store, and we want your business.